In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collect emails and SMS on Shopify. Collecting contact information is a vital part of engaging with your customers and ensuring they stay informed about their orders, as well as any exciting updates you might want to offer them in the future. So, let's dive right into it and make this process a breeze for you. To begin with, head over to the bottom left corner of your Shopify admin dashboard, where you'll find the option labeled Settings. Click on it, and it will take you to a wide array of options tailored to customize your store's operations. From here, we'll navigate to one of the most important areas for our task, the checkout settings. This is where you can adjust how your customers interact with the purchasing process in your store. Once you're in the checkout section, you'll see different configurations aimed at fine-tuning the checkout process. Here, our focus will be on determining how customers will provide their contact details. Look for the option labeled Customer Contact Method. This particular choice is pivotal because it dictates how your shoppers receive order notifications, which can dramatically enhance their overall experience with your store. Select phone number or email. By doing this, you enable customers to select their preferred option, whether they want to receive updates about their orders via their phone or through email. This flexibility not only aligns with customer preferences, but also increases the chances of them opting in, thus enriching your database of contact information. After making sure that your selection is set to phone number or email, the next step is quite straightforward. Move your cursor to the Save button and click it. This action ensures that all the changes you've made are secured, and your Shopify store will be all set to start collecting those crucial email addresses and phone numbers from customers during their checkout experience. And just like that, you're done. See? It was as simple as just a few clicks. By following these steps, you've effectively configured your Shopify store to gather emails and SMS contacts, opening up a host of possibilities for future customer engagement and communication. Always remember, keeping your audience informed and engaged can significantly drive up customer satisfaction and loyalty. As you progress and grow, you might consider exploring further Shopify features that can amplify the way you interact with your customers. Having this foundational setup ready is like laying the first brick in building a more connected and reactive business. If you have any questions or need clarification on these steps, feel free to reach out to the Shopify community or consult Shopify's resources. Thank you for tuning in, and happy selling.